And so entitlement, to have that delusion of entitlement that we can sit back and make rhetorical questions when there's real challenges that need to be engaged. Because that's my pet peeve. That's my big thing. Do you think it'll matter, all this effort we're putting into saving the planet? It's like, wow, that's a level of fucked upness, to undo that challenge from someone, to undo that mindset. But it's not to say, oh, well, people are too far gone. They're too fucked up. They're too stupid. Look what you just said. Yeah, but that's the point. Is that there's no dissing that challenge. There's no this there's no that other word that you're saying.
Abdicating?
Yeah. There's no abdicating that challenge, right? Did I say it right that time?
I think that works. Yeah, I think that works.